Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on Roblox. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to get verified on Roblox, there are some few requirements that need to be fulfilled. Now, this is the official article from Roblox, which is available on their help website. So as you can see, how do I qualify for a verified badge? First, accounts need to be notable, aka widely recognized, in order to receive the badge. And in order to be deemed notable, the following criteria must be met. And that of course depends on the account type you have. So if your account type is brands, figures, companies, celebrities, musicians, politicians, 100k followers plus is a must on at least one major social media platform: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or 100 plus k monthly listeners on Spotify, or you are part of our Video Stars program. Now, if you're an owner of an experience with playtime exceeding 1 million hours in the last 90 days, or you are a contributor to such an experience and have at least 10k legitimate followers on Roblox, a legitimate follower is someone who appears to be a real user as opposed to a bot. Or you or your group have at least 2 million Robux in revenue for the last 90 days with at least 200k items sold. Now, if you do meet the requirements, what they're going to do is make sure that you're an actual person and not a bot. And this will be done with an ID verification to confirm that you are authentic. So as an extra note, finally, we want to make sure that your accounts are secure and active. This means that your account has authenticator enabled and has been active on our platform in the last 180 days. Also, please note that if you represent a brand and are working with our partnership team, additional requirements might be needed that will be communicated by our partnership team. Okay, so if you want to know more information about this, I'll make sure to leave you the link in the description down below, or you can just look for it on the Roblox help website. So that's it, that's how to get verified on Roblox. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.